Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy stocks in Robinhood. Open the app and confirm your ID, then link a bank and deposit money. Search a company ticker, tap Buy, choose quantity or fractional shares, and pick Market or Limit Order. Review price, fees, and estimated total, then confirm the trade. Set price alerts and consider a watch list to track stocks you might buy later. Start with understanding order types before you trade. A market order fills fast at the best available price, while a limit order only fills at your set price or better. Use stop-loss orders to protect gains or limit losses automatically. Consider fractional shares to invest small amounts like $5 or $50 into expensive stocks. Review order confirmations carefully and remember that price can change between submission and execution. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum has voice control and smart mapping, so it cleans while you study tickers and sip coffee. It's a playful way to save time when you're monitoring markets or reading earnings reports. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Know where costs can appear even with commission-free trading. Regulatory fees like SEC and FINRA charges may show on confirmations, and certain services can incur fees. Protect your account with strong passwords, two-factor authentication, and device security. Diversify your holdings to manage risk and avoid putting too much into a single stock. Finally, review trade confirmations and monthly statements to ensure accuracy and spot any unusual activity early.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.